Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel Crunchyroll membership. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in Crunchyroll application on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the home section, you're going to find some suggested animes. If you go to my list, right here you're going to find all of your saved animes and so on. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, in order to cancel your Crunchyroll membership is by going to the account section. Once you go to the account section, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Crunchyroll account. So, as you can see, guys, the first option right here is membership plan. If we click on membership plan, right here, you're going to find your subscription type. As you can see, guys, I am a free member. And under it, you're going to find get premium access if you don't have a premium membership. So with the premium plan, you're going to get unlimited anime, no ads, and new episodes shortly after airing in Japan. If you click on Go Premium, from here you can start your subscription. If you already have a subscription in Crunchyroll Premium, once you click on Membership Plan, from here, instead of having free member, you're going to find premium member. And you can find a cancel button right here. If you click on it, you can cancel your subscription. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.